do this. Friend shop shit, race shop shit, Bink Industries shit. We got this front crossmember back from Bink in California, and it looks pretty sweet.
Right. Just this section out. This whole middle section gets chopped out and replaced. He welds in little like support pieces around the bolts. Comes with new spacers.
Beefy.
Yep.
Little update, you guys seen us try to put this thing in. Here was where I wrecked in Seattle. I actually have the clip, so. But check this out. So you can see a huge crease and then a huge crease. So shout out to Nate for having the cross member super aligned, but our car is not. So me and Dave are about to try some sort of ghetto ratchet strap to pull the frame in a little bit to just get this cross member in. All right, there it is, little ratchet strap. Quick little care package update. Got the hoodie, the entry, the Tristan Tran collab, Clutch Kickers collab, our new Tokyo Drift shit. Boom, boom, boom. This is coming out soon. Coming soon. And we're live.
You've got that time pretty good. The GoPro auto turn on function.
We got Max in the house. He just arrived. Look at this mess. Let's go check it out. Max, come on. Tell us about it.
Mess is a great word.
All right, so I already told them earlier, but Max is going down to Coda.
Yes.
Which I'm going to try to talk my wife into going down for a little bit too.
Come on, Megan.
Baby, we're going to see. And then, yeah, so Max is trying to get his shit together. Look at all this.
Craziness. And it's not like anything difficult, you know? Like
Yeah.
coilovers, arms,
Yeah.
exhaust, GK technical kit, brakes. It's all like bolt-on parts. But this Z has so many like rusted and old bolts.
That's been the hardest part, huh? Just,
Yeah. What should have been like maybe 2 afternoons of work has turned into a lot more.
Yeah. You guys know the struggle.
There's a lot of brake cleaning there right now.
Keep forgetting to update. Let's see. Still back under the car. This boy needs all the tools. 12's floating around somewhere. So far, let's see. We've got obviously the Y pipe. Got the got the drive shaft back in with the diff that got welded by Dave, with the axles. Now we're down to the exhaust, and we can start the car. Got her clean. Got the exhaust on. I think it's about 72 hours later, but we got it. Oi!
Like 3 days. We're all starving.
We haven't ate in days.
Someone sent help.
But yeah, I think we're gonna start the car for fun.
Here we go. It's pretty loud and idle. Sounds good.
I literally forgot that I had this exhaust on my 370. That just brought back some memories right there. Rev it up! Corey done got caught. This boy is smoking. Boy, what you smoking? It really is. I can smell it.
Right. Plenty of that shit.
Yo, that sounded pretty good.
I like it. It's high pitched, which is cool.
Yeah.
Like a lot of EQs are like that real low pitch rumble. Sounds like shit.
He's two-stroking.
We're two-stroking.
It is. It's been cold in here all day. In other news, we're vlogging, Mom.
Nice, hi.
In other news,
Oh, they don't need
looks
our
like
help.
the 2F stuff arrived. Oh. Look at how they ship this thing.
Yeah, no.
That's kind of gnarly.
Thank you.
Dude, those things are sick.
They're pretty sweet, dude. So thanks to 2F, Paco hooked it up. Back end, front end, another rear bumper, side skirts are here, fenders are here, hood's here. Yeah, put this car back together. Hey, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
Max is pissed. I help him wrench. He's about to drop his car on the ground and do a burnout, and I'm leaving. But whatever.
It's all good. Thanks, dog.
Later. Looking
Appreciate
good,
it.
looking good.
She'll get there.
She gonna be all right. What do you guys think about these rims? Little bonus on this vlog, it's actually Friday, so I'm about to go grab some dinner with my lady. Max is wrapping shit up, and then we'll keep the ball rolling on Sunday. Let's jump back in it real quick. What up, everybody? The grind is real. The shop is a mess. Look at this shit. So, yeah, I don't know how much I'll talk about this, but we're back at it. Today is Sunday, so what you guys just seen was from Friday. So a little background on me personally. Friday nights, I get to spend with my wife, and Saturday I spend with my wife or family. So, yeah, so it's Sunday. So Friday to Sunday in a flash. Now we're back. I'm the first one here. The crew will probably be rolling in shortly. I'll be completely honest. I'm not 100% sure what's gonna happen today. Little overview. We got the 2F body kit stuff that just came in. We did get our gearbox and rear end back from Nate at Bink Industries. That stuff's super cool, but we really can't put that in without a motor. So still pending on that with Golan. We had to overnight a dry sump belt to them. And I think on Monday, they should have the motor. So that'll be, or the motor should get dynoed. So that'll be super cool. But yeah, today, we'll see. Max is still wrenching. So this thing should hit the ground, which will be super cool. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm actually here in the morning, just jamming some Tyco and responding to print shop emails. So for those who don't know, we do screen printing and embroidery. It's our little setup here. And we're actually in a bit of a holding stage at this shop right here. So that's kind of just something to keep in the back of your head. Like, why are they in such a big shop? What's going on? Have some updates for you guys soon on that. Let's see what else. I wanted to mention, you know, thank you guys for ordering the new t-shirts, the 1+44 Tokyo Drift stuff that our boy Caden helped me design. It comes with a cool holographic sticker pack, which is fun. And obviously we throw a little bit of goodies from the other companies that support us. So yeah, as you can see, we keep a very kind of like realistic amount of gear, even though we could create as much as we want. For us, we're just kind of testing the marketplace, or for me, to you guys, I'm just testing the marketplace. I really like to see what you guys like and don't like, and I don't know, we're just learning at 144, so that's cool. I know this track style gear with the sponsor logos is going really well. Pretty much sold out, so I need to redo some of that. But yeah, maybe in the comments below, like, you guys could let me know what you want. Simple stuff, crazy shit. I know the toast animated was super cool, so hopefully I can get with my boy Diamond and do some more of that. But yeah, let's get into it.
Taco time.
Tacos. I ran out, had some coffee with mom, and got some food for the guys, but check this shit out. Talking with Dave and Dad, looks like this this stuff mounts up super sweet. So shout out 2F for the support. Looks like these rear quarter panels are rad. So if you guys don't know, let's see if I can give you a look here. Goes from this mounting point here, right? Obviously they come together, and then it'll run all the way around, all the way here. So you have your over fender and your taillight housing in one piece. So that shit's pretty cool, man. And it looks like, you know, as a piece here coming down, it's like nice and tight on the body, so that should mount really well. You can see here, just like not much a gap, which is awesome. And then obviously rear bumper will mount up. Bash bars have a little bit of clearance, and yeah, some progress with this. So Monday I'll be able to go get the door. Side skirts are here, fenders. Looks like the guys are doing the new BC Racing coilovers, tossing on the new shocks. So that's super cool. And yeah, it's coming together. Got that cross member in. It's going down. Look at this mess.
Start over.
Pit change. How do you feel about it, Dad?
I think it's really close right there.
What you do? Is that the spot?
That's the spot.
What are you doing right now?
Rebuilding coilovers.
Got the new ones?
No, this is the old ones.
Oh, just back up.
Putting all the pieces back together.
So you already got the new ones on.
Yep. We had to swap this whole lower piece because the bolts were bigger than the holes because we're using a 14 spindle. Why are we using a 14 spindle? Other than having a bigger spot for the fucking hub to go on, there's no difference. Like, I don't know why we went through so much trouble.
So this is S14,
Yeah.
and this was S13.
Yeah, it was. Yeah,
Was.
So we had to swap these guys. Same with the front, like we got 5 lug hubs and we're like, yeah, we're golden. And then I put them on, they don't fit because they're different sizes. And then you go to chase down 14 5 lug hubs and they're $1,000 because nobody wants to make them anymore. So
Y'all remember that in the last vlog. So now we got new suspension, got the new rack, rotors, hubs, brake pads. Car's coming together. Finally. Action!
What up?
How's it going?
I think good. I don't know. We put the GK Tech angle kit on and it looks like nothing's hitting, so
Sick.
trying to see.
How to center the rack. Got that done?
I don't know how to stay it.
gotta put it on the alignment machine.
Yeah, it needs an alignment, I guess, but I guess
Nice.
it's good. I kind of want to go drive it around and see
Sick.
what the deal is, but it looks like it's got some angle to it.
Okay.
Sick.
I gotta fix whatever bolts rattling
You
right
hear that?
now. Yeah, it's
I hear
something
that
on
too.
the exhaust. We'll do that later.
That was us.
Yeah. My brakes are like non-existent. Yeah, I can't.
Can't go anywhere. No brakes. We out of here. That worked out pretty well. little recap. This was Friday to Sunday, so I think we got a little bit more video content, which was cool. Today ended up being a bit of a whirlwind of people coming in, which was awesome. We had Caden, a few Tristan Tran, a few locals out here. That was super cool. And yeah, now it's the sun's kind of setting and we're about to get out of here. So I just kind of wanted to say goodbye to you guys. Catch you in 2 weeks time. So I'm actually about to go on a honeymoon with me and my wife. So it's gonna be a minute before I get my vlog back. The guys are gonna go down with Max to his demo, which will be super cool. So look out for this truck and trailer with the 350Z that's green. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for buying the merch. All that stuff collectively is really helping us keep this program alive. But for now, about to go home, chop this vlog up, put it out. You guys know the drill. Hope you enjoyed this one. And I'm excited to get some feedback. I know a lot of you guys are starting to trickle in the comments, which is cool. But it'd be really rad to kind of get some feedback on more skating, more cars, more details. I know we're not like just going off on detail. So if there's anything you guys want more detail on, let me know. But for the most part, some time lapses with some groovy music, with some, you know, talking points. So hope this one was better than the last one, because the last one sucked. Later.